Hello everyone, welcome with me Bijal Ritesh Maru for your another monthly reading. So how is the month of March going to be for all of us? Well, this video will just give you a general overview of the month of March for all of us in general. So the month of March is here definitely going to be a month of making important choices and important decisions. We will be amid situations or amidst issues where we will really need to pick up on one thing or make a particular certain decisions or certain choices in the month, and the choice or the decision you make will be the deciding factor for your journey ahead. So definitely choose wisely, think from all the kind of perspectives, and then take your final call and the final decision to move ahead in which direction that you wish to move ahead. Also, this month is going to definitely see us amidst clashes, difference of opinions. There may be arguments because of these choices that we make or because of the decisions that we need to take. So make sure that you handle this thing a little easily. Come up with amicable solutions which will even suit you and the opposite person or all those people who are involved in the situation with you. Also make very sure that for all this, communication is the key. Only if you are going to communicate will it will be easy for you as well as for the other person and for all the people who are involved in the situation with you. Well, if you don't communicate, you are going to create a further chaos for yourself and for all those who are involved with you. It is only going to worsen the situation and not get you any better. Along with all these guidelines, you also need to be very careful about your physical health this month. So don't ignore your exercise routine, don't ignore your health, don't ignore minor tiredness or minor issues as something which is just easy going. So if you take care of it at a minor level, it may not come up into something very major. Also take care of your physical beauty, your appearance, your outlook, because this is going to boost your confidence and is going to make you strong and attractive for yourself as well as for the people around you. Last but not the least, you really need to enjoy the innocence of a child inside you. Okay, among all the stress, the chaos that we are going to go through in the month of March, we really need to also get some time out and just do something that makes us just feel a little lively. But make sure that people around you don't take your innocence for granted as well. So, well, a month of March is a month of making important decisions. Communication is the key. Don't let your insecurities or your too good attitude or your attitude to always be good and nice to others hold you back. It's not going to help you. It's in fact going to worsen the situation. So make wise decisions, come up to amicable solutions. Communication is the key. Take care of your physical health, take care of your appearance. You deserve to look good. And last but not the least, be childlike, enjoy, chill a lot amongst all the stress and chaos. So I really hope all these guidelines help you have a beautiful month of March in spite of the ups and downs. And I will see you again next week with your weekly readings and the general message of the week. Thank you. Till then, bye-bye.